Hey guys, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to take a look at what happened to my dryer and what you can do to fix it. My dryer started making a squeaking noise last year, didn't think much of it, just thought it was older and just kind of let it go, and that was the wrong move. Had I done something about it, it would have been a pretty quick and inexpensive fix, but since I didn't, it deteriorated more. I'm not going to show you how to do the repair. There's a ton of videos on that, but I do want to kind of show you how it works and what you can do in order to stave off this problem. So let's take a look. So this right here is the bearing surface. This is what the drum rides on. This is inside of the front of your dryer, and basically when the drum spins, it rides on 4 of these. The outside ones are hard. The inner ones are a lot softer, and these were completely worn off. And because I let it go so long, it wore completely through the whole piece. Now that's not a big deal. This piece is pretty cheap. Comes a kit, generic, comes with this, a belt, the felts, and all 4 of the little gliders, and I want to say it was like $30. Unfortunately though, because it went all the way through it, it actually hurt another piece. So I got the dryer totally apart and found that this was also worn completely through and broken. This piece is more like $50 to $60 shipped, and unfortunately I probably wouldn't have gone and done the replacement, but since it's the land of COVID-19 right now, I was unable to go to a store and try to buy anything, so I figured I'd just replace it and get it going. But I could have saved myself a lot of trouble by replacing that simple, quick and easy piece. Instead, I ended up destroying this piece, and it shattered when I tried to take it apart. So long story short, if your dryer is making a squeaking noise, do something about it proactively. If you're handy, wear gloves, because there's a lot of surfaces inside of there. You can cut yourself. I did nick a finger working on it, but you'll save yourself a lot of time and headache and stuff like that. Had I been properly prepared and not needed more parts, probably would have been about a 20-minute fix and about $30, since I'm capable of doing it myself. Obviously, unplug the device, and if you have any worry in whether or not you're capable of doing this, just don't do it. Hire a professional. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything you want to add that I didn't include, please put that in the comments too. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thank you so much.